Now we will do question number 24A. Question number 24A. This question is related to accounting treatment of accumulated profits and reserves. The question says P, Q, and R are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 2:3:4. They later decided to share profits equally in future. On that date, they had rupees 13,500 in profit and loss account and rupees 9,000 in reserves fund. Past journal entries in the following cases. Number 1, they decide to close profit and loss account and reserve fund, and number 2, firm does not want to close the accounts of accumulated profits and reserves. So in this question, first of all, whatever may be the case, we will start by calculating the sacrificing ratio and determining who is the partner who is sacrificing and who is the partner who is gaining. So P, Q, and R were three partners. Their profit sharing ratio was 2:3:4. It comes to 2/9, 3/9, 4/9. They have decided to change their profit sharing ratio to be equal in future. So the new profit sharing ratio is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. We will calculate the sacrificing ratio, that is 2/9 minus 1/3, 3/9 minus 1/3, 4/9 minus 1/3. That is old minus new. So 9 3s are 27, 20s are 9, 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 9 1s are 9. Here it comes to minus 3/27. Here 9 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 9 1s are 9. Here it comes to 0/27, means Q will not be affected by the change in profit sharing ratio. Here 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 4 3s are 12, 3 9s are 9 1s are 9 is 3/27. So we are calculating sacrificing ratio and the answer over here is -3. Therefore P is gaining and R is sacrificing and Q has no effect. Now the first case, when the firm decided to close profit and loss account and reserve fund. So what we will do, profit and loss account means profit which is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet, and your reserve fund is also shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. We will debit both of them because we have to close the accounts. So, and the liability side balances are all credit balances. Now we want to delete them. So what we will do, we will debit them. Profit and loss account will be debited, reserve fund account will be debited. So 13,500 was the amount of profit and loss account and 9,000 was the amount of reserve fund. The total comes to 13,500. Now this 22,500. Now this 22,500 will be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio, that is 2:3:4. So 22,500 divided by 9, it comes to your 2,500. 2,500 into 2 is 5,000. 2,500 into 3 is 7,500, and 2,500 into 4 is 10,000. So total comes to 22,000, which is equal to the debit total. Now if they don't want to close the profit and loss account and the reserve fund, Then what we will do, we will add up the amounts of the profit and loss account and the reserve fund, and the total amount comes to 22,500. This 22,500 will be distributed among the partners in the sacrificing ratio. Here Q has a 0, means he is neutral. Therefore, the partners who have gained or sacrificed, only they will get the share. So P is gaining. P share will be 22,500 into minus 3 by 27 is equal to 2,500, a negative figure. R share will be 22,500 into positive 3 by 27 is equal to positive 2,500. So who is sacrificing? R is sacrificing and P is gaining. So the gaining partner will be debited, P's capital account debit 2,500 and R's capital account will be credited 2,500. Now see question number 25. Question number 25 says, A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. This is their old profit sharing ratio. They decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio 2:2:1. This is the new profit sharing ratio with effect from 1st April 2019. They decided to record the effect of the following without altering their book values, means no change in the balance sheet is to be done. So here the profit and loss account is given 31,500. Profit and loss account appears on the liability side of the balance sheet. And one more thing is given, that is advertisement suspense account 9,000. This advertisement suspense account is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. And this, it is said, pass necessary adjustment entry. So we will do this question. Again, the same thing. First of all, we will calculate the sacrifice or the gain that has been made. Question number 25, page 2.61. A, B and C, they are three partners. The old profit sharing ratio was 4:3:2. Total is 9, 4 by 9, 3 by 9, 2 by 9. The new profit sharing ratio is given 2:2:1. 2:2:1, total comes to 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. Now we will calculate the sacrificing ratio. So 4 by 9 is the old minus the new 2 by 5. 3 by 9 minus 2 by 5 and 2 by 9 minus 1 by 5. Now 9 5s are 45. Then 9 5s are 5 4s are 20. 5 9s are 9 2s are 18. Amount, the balance comes to 2 by 45. Here 9 5s are 45 and so 5 3s are 15. 5 9s are 9 2s are 18. Here it is a negative balance of 3. Here 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 9 1s are 9. Here again it is positive 1. So the sacrificing ratio, so the positive will be sacrificed and the negative will be gained. So A is sacrificing, C is sacrificing and B is gaining. Now it is given profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet, that is 31,500. And the advertisement suspense account is rupees 9,000. It is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. So we will subtract advertisement suspense account, total comes to 22,500. Now this 22,500 will be distributed in the sacrificing ratio among the partners. A share will be 2 by 45 into 2 by 45 into 22,500 is equal to 1,000. B share will be minus 3 by 45 into 22,500 is equal to minus or bracket 1,500. 1,500. And C share is equal to 1 by 45 into 22,500. So it comes to rupees 500 positive. Now the partner who has gained, B has gained. So B's capital account will be debited 1500 and A's capital account, who has sacrificed, will be credited rupees 1000 and C's capital account, who has also sacrificed, by rupees 500 will be credited. So it's clear to all. Now see question number 26. In this question the balance sheet is given to you. Now see it. Question number 26. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 2:2:1. The balance sheet stood as follows on 31/3/2019. Capital accounts A, B and C 40,000, 40,000, 20,000, 1 lakh. Profit and loss account 25,000 and creditors are given 28,000. Total of the liability side is 1,53,000. On the asset side, fixed assets are given 90,000, current assets are given 56,000 and deferred revenue expenditure is given 7,000. Total comes to 1,53,000. The adjustment says the partner decided to share the profits equally in future. For this purpose, goodwill was valued at 27,000. They decide neither to record goodwill in the books nor wish to change any item of the balance sheet. Pass a single journal entry to give the effect of the change. So, in this case, the balance sheet is given. We will not see anything in the balance sheet. The only things that we have to focus on the balance sheet is to find out that what is the amount that is to be treated for. And what are the amounts that are to be treated for? They are your general reserves, they are your deferred revenue expenditure, profit and loss account. On the liability side, that is the profit, or on the asset side, that is the loss. These all things are to be taken into account, and even the goodwill, if it is given in the balance sheet. Then it is also given that the value of the goodwill was calculated to be 27,000 for the purpose of the change in the profit sharing ratio. Now what is to be done is, first of all, the sacrificing ratio is to be calculated. So question number 26, page 2.61. A, B and C are the partners. Their old profit sharing ratio is 2/5, 2/5, 1/5. New profit sharing ratio is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. We will calculate the sacrificing ratio, that is old ratio minus new ratio. So 2/5 minus 1/3, 2/5 minus 1/3, 1/5 minus 1/3. So 5 3s are 15. 15, 5, 3, 3 2s are 6, 3, 5, 5 1s are 5, 5, so the balance comes to 1/15. Here 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, again 1/15 is the balance. Now 5 3s are 15, 5 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5, 5 1s are 5 is equal to minus 2/15. So here these both are positive, therefore they both are, A and B are sacrificing, and C has a negative amount, so C is gain. Now what we will do, we will, all those things which are to be distributed to the partners, क्या क्या चीजें पार्टनर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है? Goodwill of the firm, that is 27,000, and profit and loss account, that is 25,000. Total comes to 52,000. We will subtract the deferred revenue expenditure that is appearing on the asset side of the balance sheet. That was 7,000 rupees. Total comes to 45,000. Now this 45,000 will be distributed among the partners in their sacrificing ratio. A share will be 45,000 into 1/15 is equal to 3,000 positive. B share will be 45,000 into 1/15 is equal to 3,000 positive. And C share is equal to 45,000 into minus 2/15 is equal to bracket 6,000. C's capital account, as C is gaining, will be debited rupees 6,000 and A and B's capital account will be credited by rupees 3,000 each. It's clear? So tomorrow we will continue with the same topic.